Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking plumbing and we are working on a Kohler replacement kit for your valve system inside your actual tub. Ours is RK2504 when it comes time to search for it. Let's take a look. And when you go to the repair shop or plumbing station, grab all your old parts because then you can match it up. Alright YouTubers, back from the plumbing shop, and this is the replacement kit for a Kohler RK2504 valve repair kit. Comes with the internal seats, the hot and cold stems or cartridges, the middle diverter. Very important, that does not come with a seat. That's important when it's time for the installation of the new one. And it comes with the brand new shiny cover plates and the brand new shiny hot and cold handles, as well as the pull knob for the diverter. So we'll just open this up. On the right side, the brand new one. Make sure your gaskets are in there. On the actual inner portion is a rubber gasket held on by a Phillips screw. That's very, very important because as you turn the knob on and off, it moves that gasket. When you turn it on, the gasket releases from the internal seat and allows water to flow by. When you close the knob, it pushes that rubber seal or gasket up against that internal seat, creating that watertight seal. So make sure all of that's there. That's it YouTubers, that's all I wanted to show you in this actual video. Below in the comments section, I'm going to put several links to videos on how to replace your diverter, how to replace your stem or cartridge, how to replace your seat, and several other videos that come out of this entire kit. So definitely check those out. Hope the video helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.